I think my car's gonna blow away.
Yeah, we're like a big, what'd you call us? Like a square box?
Or a giant box.
Yeah, let me just give you a little taste of this. Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is it's a little bit windy out today.
It's really windy.
Chelsea's looking it up. What's the storm we got? It's coming from Ireland.
Ciara.
The Ciara. So it's like no joke, like I would say probably 30-mile-an-hour winds right now. Check out this clip. This is just from letting the dogs out in the front yard. But yeah, you can see it's getting it today. Good kite flying day.
Yeah, I wore my windbreaker.
Yeah, she's got 2 coats on today, but
it's not that cold out, just windy.
It's like 40s or 50s or something, but
it's
today,
actually 61.
Oh, 61, nice. I don't think I've seen it that warm in a while. It's what the Jeep's saying. So today is a different day. I thought it was going to pour rain, but with the wind, it's actually moving the weather out of the way. Still not a great day to be outside doing something, so we're trying to find some indoor activities. And this is something I wanted to do for a while since we got here because of the history and, you know, how old some of this stuff is. But we're actually going to check out some antique shops. So this isn't Chelsea's favorite activity. She doesn't want like a ton of knickknacks in the house. We wanted to try and see some stuff here and maybe find some cool stuff for the baby room that's just unique to the area. Or my joke with her is I want to find something older than the US, you know, like a piece of furniture or something that's like 200 years old. But I don't know, just again walking around. We're going to show you some of this. We're at a place called Bulldog Barns, and it's like 20 minutes up the road from the house. We're going to go further north to another place, and then I have an activity that I'm keeping a surprise for Chelsea. She doesn't know what's happening, but just found something else we can do inside. So, but being Sunday today, everything closes at like 4, and it's, what is it now, 11:30? So we got to get moving. We're going to go through this one, and then go find a bite to eat. Chelsea needs some Starbucks coffee, get some caffeine in you.
Yep.
And get going. But yeah, we'll take our phones with us, kind of show you around this area, and hopefully we find something good. All right, so this is the first place right off the road there, Bulldog Barns. Looks like that's their house, and you got several little barns or little sheds, and then that big green building out there. So go see what we can find. You excited?
Pumped.
Pumped, yeah. Gonna fill the living room with all kinds of stuff. Yeah, oh, look, a gas pump over there. Maybe that's for sale. All right, guys, I'm thinking like right above the fireplace. Look at this. Beautiful.
With your fur
stools. That is really cool. Looks like
it
something
is not cool.
It's like something from Cabela's or something, you know? That's awesome. One day. I'm totally using that. All right, time check for you guys. It is 1 o'clock. We are at spot number 2. I'm gonna have Chelsea pronounce the town because I'm gonna butcher it.
I think it's called Hunstanton.
It is right on the coast. So I'll show you in a second, but like, I guess you can't see it from here, but the
there's a
beach,
giant building in the way.
Yeah, there's like a couple of houses, but the beach is like right up the road. So but yeah, spot number 2, this place has more beach themed like stuff. The last place was cool, so I'll show you a little clip. But just tiny little barns like we were talking about, little shacks, and then each one had a different theme, like bedroom and kitchen and all that kind of stuff. But we found 2 items. One we're going to send back to Ben and Kristen. Where are those real quick? These 2 books about fly tying. So I'm going to send these to Ben. We'll put a box together for you guys, but when we were going around, I saw these and I was like, that's really cool. Something coming from England. A good coffee table book for you. But we also got a shelf, and I'll wait till we get back to the house and cut to it. I'll have Chelsea kind of show off this little shelf, but it's like a rowboat or like a canoe, and we see them everywhere now. It's like definitely something that people are using for just kind of shelving in kids' rooms. But she's going to decorate that for us and kind of figure out what to do. But yeah, so this place is more beachy, and Chelsea's saying she doesn't want the baby's room to be like you're walking right into like a beach house, so not like in your face beach, but
like cheesy.
Yeah,
I want like more like simplistic, like Hawaii-esque stuff, but I mean we're not in Hawaii.
Yeah, she's always had this dream that we talk about living in Hawaii one day. So she's thinking like, I don't know, kind of just again,
if you believe
like
it, if you do it, it will happen.
keep thinking positive vibes there. But yeah, so we're gonna try and see if we can get some odds and ends. But again, with the wind just ripping it, it's definitely something to go inside. And then after this, we're gonna go find. We still haven't grabbed coffee yet, but we're gonna grab some coffee, some lunch. I'm hungry, and then I'm gonna take Chelsea to the second activity that she doesn't know that we're doing yet. So we'll see. But I'll try and bring my phone in here and kind of give you guys a little look around. Oh, let me spin it around for you. So this is the front of it. And what is this place called again? I forgot.
Really strange.
Yeah. So antiques, crafts, they do like ceramics and stuff like that. So go check it out. Okay.
I think the car's gonna blow away.
Yeah. We're like a big, what'd you call us? Like a square box.
Or a giant box.
Yeah, let me just give you a little taste of this. Oh yeah. Okay, so we are done with the second flea market, and Chelsea guessed the activity. We're actually going to the aquarium. Hold on one sec. I think you guys are covered there. Yeah, so we're at aquarium, and I think it's a perfect day for it because you can't do anything outside. The car is literally shaking right now from the wind, but we're in an open field. The second antique shop that we went to is really cool. A lot more to see there, and it was all in one long store. So I don't know, it was just different. We found a couple things that we're gonna put in the baby room, and it was beachy themed, but
we're shaking. We're shaking so hard.
Oh,
My
yeah.
eyes and this are probably like, what the?
Yeah, I think her goal is to come back to the Jeep and not see it like rolled over like down the path there. But I don't know. This is crazy. I don't know how much is picking up on the mic. I want to hear this later, but yeah. So a couple things for the baby room, and then I found a coin. Do you have it? I'm gonna show you. We're gonna keep it locked up. The goal is to try and find something as a joke like older than the U.S. and I did. So this is a shilling, and I'll try and get a better shot of it with another camera, but it's a William III shilling. The date on this coin, 1697. So I thought that was pretty cool. Like literally a piece of metal that's older than the USA. I don't know, just something random to throw in the collection, but pretty cool. So I thought it was a win today, like just being able to see some stuff and get a feel. A lot of the antiques that we saw were like US antiques as far as like similar furniture, that kind of stuff. Signs, they had a lot of like brands like Coca-Cola, jewelry. Like it just felt like a US kind of antique shop. And then a lot of artwork. So that was the last one we went to. Just really cool handmade crafts that they had. There was a lady that was actually making pottery in one of the rooms that we were at. So I don't know, just different. So we're gonna go check out some sea life here. I'll bring you guys inside, kind of give you a little tour. I don't think this one's very big, but just gotta get out of this wind. This is crazy. Yeah. Just a little breezy, but check out the coast. Hey guys.
I smell like sunny.
Hey. The sign says free flying birds, so they've got a netting on the top, obviously keep them enclosed, but Chelsea's not a big bird fan.
The penguins are cool though.
Yeah, look at these guys. I want to take one home. All right, we're covered. It is like hurricane weather out there now, but Chelsea read this tank, small sign up on there. This is for fish that outgrew their home tank. So people didn't realize the breed was getting that big, and they had to rehome them. Look at these guys, they're huge. Can't imagine having that in one of our fish bowls. Beautiful.
Every day.
Till we got a little wet.
So lucky that you get to wake up next to me.
That was a neat little aquarium, and they were doing like seal feeding, and then all of a sudden it just opened up, like you can't even see.
I feel like part of the aquarium, that part, a lot of it was outside, so.
Yeah, look at my glasses, still all fogged up. Oh man, glad the car park was close though, because it was just a quick walk up.
Yes.
But everybody was huddled around the coffee shop, like just waiting. And then the building started to leak. Like they had water coming in at the windows, and then a couple like the joining rooms, you could see it leaking from the roof, and they were like scrambling trying to put it together. But yeah, even now getting rocked. So. And
the temp has dropped. When we went in, it was like 62. So, and now it's 48.
48, yeah, 20 degree drop right now. So there's definitely some weather coming through.
Ciara.
Ooh. So good day to be inside watching some movies, drinking some hot coffee or something. So
still haven't found Starbucks.
I think we're gonna find it on the way back or settle for something else. But that was it. So I'll go ahead and cue a fish montage for you and kind of show you around the area that we've got.
Change from our torrential downpours.
Some warmer clothes.
Yeah, it was really cold. So this is the bookcase or like knick-knack shelf that we got for the baby room. Pretty excited about it. I like it.
It's really cool. Nice.
But it's cool.
All right, what else do we get?
We got some fish.
We're gonna get names for every single one of them.
Yeah. This one's Sunny.
Yeah.
And we got, these are the two books that Kyle already showed you for Ben.
We'll send that box over soon, guys.
Probably some chocolate too.
Yeah.
We got a turtle. Kyle and I collect turtles, so whenever he would leave me at home and he would travel for work, he would always get a turtle. And this one's cool. It's got, I didn't even notice this in the store. It has some like gold, like sparkly gold in it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, so we're excited about this. We have lots of turtles. We have turtle from Florida, Mississippi, Puerto Rico, Hawaii. Yeah, and the last thing we got, oh no, this isn't the last thing. Just a cute little sailboat.
Yeah, it was part of the ceramic shops that they were doing, so.
Yeah, so obviously these aren't really like knickknacks, but like more artwork stuff, but they're cool. And the last thing we got is, we thought this book was cool because it was published here. We didn't want to get the Grimm
It's hard to read.
series because Grimm is scary and from Germany. But this one is Mother Goose Fairy Tales.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed just following Chelsea and I around today as we're running through some shops. It was a pretty cool day. Just one way to beat the weather there. But again, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure you join us for future adventures, and we'll catch you on the next one.